Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to get third row of Apple on CarPlay on iPhone. If you want to get the third row of Apple on CarPlay of iPhone, just something like this. So you have to open a setting. So go for your phone settings app. In settings, you just have to check for your system update. So go to general, and general go to software update, and here you have to make sure that your system is up to date. And after doing this, just go back, and here you'll get the setting of CarPlay. Just open it, and after opening this, you just have to customize apps, and you have to enable the setting. And after enabling the setting, your display will be change into something like this. So that's how you can get third row of apps on CarPlay on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.